Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Today I am back with a different video. आज मैं लेके आई हूँ Nykaa haul. Before taking this parcel, I have sanitized it properly. I have sanitized each and every product. So मैंने सब कुछ जो है वो बॉक्स में से निकाल के बाहर रख दिया है. So now let's start with the video. सबसे पहले what I bought, I got nail paints. This many. Can you see this? I mean, these colors are so beautiful, and oh my god, K Beauty nail polishes. Oh, I heard so many good things about K Beauty and their nail polishes, so I thought to give it a shot. तो मैंने खरीद लिया. I don't know, something with the pastels, you know. Right now I'm so much into pastels and pinks and lavenders and sky blue. My god, pastels have all my heart. I mean, I'm loving pastels these days. And see, I got this many shades and each shade is beautiful. This is Flamingo 12. I hope you can see the shade. And this one is Seafront. This is a sky blue color. This is also so pretty and beautiful. This one is Angelic. This is actually very similar to the shade I am wearing right now, but this is more of a true purple, and this is a mix of a pink and purple shade. So this is also a very beautiful shade. It looks more pink than the lilac on your nails, so it looks so beautiful. And this one is Tender Lavender. I hope you can see the shade, and this is how it looks on the nails. Yeah. And then I got 4 nail polishes from Nykaa. This one is Mink Muffin. This is a nudish but very dark nude. This is also a very pretty shade, by the way. This looks very chocolatey, light chocolatey. How should I describe it? It looks like a melody chocolate. Yeah, that kind of a shade it is. And this one is mint green shade. Okay, this name is very interesting. The shade name is Hasta La Pista. The shade number is 64. This is also very pretty shade. It looks beautiful on nails. And then मुझे clear nail polish चाहिए थी, तो I got this one. This one is also from Nykaa. This is from their Unicorn Potion range, and the shade name is Frosted Fairy. It is shimmery kind of a shade, but it looks very pretty on your nails. I'll do one thing. I will swatch every shade on my nails and I will put the picture on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And then I was searching for one black nail polish जो कि मुझे Nykaa में नहीं मिली, और K Beauty में भी it was not available on in any brand actually. So I was in search of gel finish and black in color. So मुझे black चाहिए था, मुझे gel finish भी चाहिए थी, तो मुझे और किसी brand में समझ आया नहीं. I have tried Nykaa and K Beauty nail polishes before, but this one I never tried. This is from Sally Hansen, and this is actually what I wanted. This is a true black, very jet black color, and it looks beautiful on nails. I will post a picture on my Instagram wearing this nail paint. And the quality and the finish of this nail polish is very nice. This brand is really good. I am very impressed by this. So yeah, that's that. And मुझे एक neon shade चाहिए था, corally bright shade for my nails, which I can wear with my Indian outfits. So I bought this one. This one is Watermelon Sorbet. Yeah. This is a bright poppy coral color. This is also very nice color if you want it. I am so obsessed with sheet mask also, so मुझे ये चाहिए था. Previously I have tried Face Shop and Innisfree का sheet mask, but a month ago I bought something from Etude House. it was a emulsion, so I got one sheet mask free with that. So it was this one, pearl brightening something. So when I applied it, I was so impressed by this. I mean, this Etude House के sheet masks are very good quality, and they give instant result. I found this sheet mask better than the Face Shop and the Innisfree. This works amazing. So I got so many flavors in this. So yeah, that's that. So next product I bought is this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the variant berry. When I bought it, इसमें बस एक ही फ्लेवर अवेलेबल था, berry one, but now they have 2 more flavors available on their website on Nykaa. So if you are interested, you can check that out. And मैंने इसको use करा है, and this is very nice. This is really very nice. All the hype and raving about this product is on point. I mean, no complaints at all. This lip mask is very nice, and it is going to last for a really long time, you know. It is named as a lip sleeping mask, but I use whenever I want. I mean, underneath my lipstick, in the day, in the night, जब मुझे मन करता है मैं लगा लेती हूँ इसको, और ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. It is a good lip product. And next I purchased this Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Warm Nude. And in general, my shade reference in MAC is I'm in between NC25 and 30. Sometimes NC30 is okay, sometimes it gets little darker for me, so I mix NC25 and NC30, and then I get my perfect shade. So that is my shade reference. Mostly, and you can consider NC30 as my shade reference in MAC. So, और इसमें I got Warm Nude. And then I bought second foundation is this one, Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I am in the shade Y305. So yeah, that's that. It comes with a pump, which is a good thing. Too Faced one is also comes with a pump, so that's the nice thing. अभी तक I haven't tried this foundation yet, because I want to do a first impression on my channel, so that's why I haven't tried this. So I will try this foundation in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And then moving on to lipsticks. 2 shades are from Physicians Formula. Actually इसमें I have ordered 1 shade, और I loved the formula of this lipstick, so I thought और भी shades try कर लेते हैं, so मैंने order करे. I mean, these lipsticks are so affordable. These are priced at just rupees 650, which is not a very high price range. So, and the quality and the formula and the pigmentation and the color selection you get in these for the price, this is amazing. You must try these lipsticks. I will give you the hand swatch of each and every shade. So that's that. This one is in the shade Bear With Me. This is a nudish shade, a peachy nude kind of a shade. So this is the shade. I hope you can see this. This is a very pretty nudish shade, and one shade which attracted me so much is this one. इसको मैंने अपने previous video में mention करा था. So this is the red one. This is a very hot red color. Particularly this shade is going to be very flattering on each and every skin tone. So yeah, that's that. I got 2 lipsticks from Maybelline in the crayon form, ink crayon, sorry, Superstay ink crayon. I was curious to try these. I was very curious because I was very impressed with their previous formula. I loved that formula which they have in lip gradation. The pigmentation, the finish, the look, the outcome, everything was so beautiful. So I thought ये भी try करते हैं, अच्छा ही होगा. So I got 2 shades in this. So I'm swatching them both. This This looks like Meher. I have Meher from MAC and it looks very similar to that. So it is a nudish pink kind of a shade. It can be a close dupe for MAC's Meher. This is a hot pink shade. Very, very flattering for each and every Indian skin tone. Maybe darker skin pe it won't look that flattering or pretty, but on a medium to lighter skin tones, this will look gorgeous. So color wise, these are nice, but if you ask me for the formula, I'm not very impressed by the formula of these because I prefer lip gradation over this. Uska formula was very opaque, ज़्यादा अच्छा था, ज़्यादा opaque था, opaque की हिंदी नहीं आती मेरे को, ज़्यादा opaque था, ज़्यादा coverage ज़्यादा provide करता था. These are so sheer. I mean, they don't cover your lips fully. It doesn't come out in one swipe. I mean, you have to layer it so much to get full opacity. Pigmentation आता है, but coverage नहीं आती है. And I like full coverage lipsticks more than sheer coverage. So yeah, that's that. If that makes sense. Okay, now moving on to moisturizers. So स्टेपल मॉइस्चराइज़र जो है मेरा लव्ड लाइफ टाइम जो मेरे साथ रहने वाला है, दिस वन सेटाफिल. इसको रिस्टॉक करना था बिकॉज आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ माई करंट वन, सो आई गॉट दिस टू रीस्टॉक इट बिकॉज आई कांट अफोर्ड कि ये ख़त्म हो जाए और मैं अपनी स्किन के साथ रिस्क लूँ. नो. एंड देन आई बॉट अनदर फेस मास्क, बट दिस टाइम not in a sheet form, in a paste form. So I got this and I got these as a free gift along with this. So yeah, that's that. And मैंने इसको try करा है and this smells like, literally smells like coffee. It is so relaxing, it is so peaceful. I mean, इसको लगा के ना you can just relax for 20 minutes and your face will glow like a bomb. And this one is in the variant Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask from McAfee. This one is very nice. You guys can give this a shot and you won't be disappointed. ये बहुत अच्छा face mask है. And then I got very important thing. This can be very useful for each and every one of you out there if you are a eye makeup person. This is a Inglot Duraline. So basically this is the solution which you can mix in your eyeshadow. I mean, you can mix this in any color eyeshadow like brown, blue, yellow, grey, pink, और उसमें आप eyeshadow में थोड़ा सा mix कर दो and you can then apply it like a eyeliner. I will show you how to use it in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, mainly why I ordered this, basically what happens now, after 3-4 months your gel liner gets very dry and very thick, so वो smooth application मिलती नहीं है. You face very tough time doing eyeliner with a gel liner, right? So there, this comes very handy and very useful. Just mix 1 to 2 drops in your dried gel liner and mix it well, and then see आपका जो जेल लाइनर है वो कितना one swipe result देगा, and then it will become very smooth and glidable. Glidable is the word na? I hope glidable is not a wrong word. Don't call me out for that. So yeah, that's that. And then second last product I got is these. These are very staples these days. Parlor नहीं जा सकते, so I got wax strips. Important. And then I got these Tangle Teaser because मुझे चाहिए था. Because I have a very long and thick hair, basically very dense hair, so it is very useful to make your hair tangle free. So that's why I thought एक बार इसको try कर लेते हैं. This is for 350 I guess. Yeah. Okay, so here the haul is complete. We came to an end finally. बहुत सारे product हो गए ना. So those are all the products which I got from Nykaa. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload new video. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm very active there also. With that, I'm wrapping up. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked my video, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.